I have to be honest with you about something. I didn't work hard to make $7,571 in the last 10 days with Amazon Associate, and AI did almost all of it for me. And I'm about to show you exactly how step by step in this video. Look, I have been doing affiliate marketing, guys, for over 6 years. I know what's work right now and what doesn't. And what's working right now in 2026 is not what most people are teaching. What's working is using AI the right way, not to replace your business, but to run it for 24 hours a day while you sleep. $7,571 in 10 days with Amazon affiliate program, free traffic only, zero ads, and I'm going to show you how exactly I'm using AI system. Okay, stay until the end because the AI method I'm using right now, most people have no idea this even is possible. Okay, so first, for people who want to start making money with Amazon Associates, you guys need to join Amazon affiliate program. You need to create an Amazon affiliate account like this one. This is my commissions here, and this is my summary here. As you guys can see, this is commissions and this is my bounties over here. Okay, so if you want to create an affiliate account with Amazon, it's super easy and simple. You will go to Google and you will search for Amazon Associate. Click on the first link over here like this. As you guys can see, super easy, and you will be in this page. You just need to click on sign up. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, French, any country. Okay, and you just need to put here your mobile number or your email address and click on continue. Follow a few steps. It's super easy and simple, and once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associates. So this will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. So what you need to do next is you guys need to choose a good product that you will start promoting using free traffic. Okay, so how we can choose good products? So for beginners who want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, guys, I'll share with you a profitable niche that you guys need to start with. Okay, so pay close attention. What you will do next, you will go to amazon.com. Go and open your amazon.com website like this and search for this niche, guys. Skincare niche. This niche is very profitable on Amazon, and for Amazon affiliate marketers, search for skincare products in this niche. Okay, scroll down and here you go. You will find here a lot of profitable product that you can promote as a beginner, and I'm sharing with you what's working right now. I'm always in my videos sharing with you the numbers, the proof that those products are already working, and that you need also to start promoting like those products. You guys can see like this one here, this one, guys, the first one here, just this one single product, guys, in the past month, the last month, got over 10,000 sales. Over 10,000 people paid for this product just in the past month. Look at this one. 80,000 people paid for this one in the past month. Look at this one. Over 10,000. This one, guys, look at this one here. Over 100,000 people paid for this products in the past month. Meaning that those products, guys, are working and people are paying for those products. So for you as an affiliate marketer with Amazon, you need also to promote like those products. That's how you can make commissions. Don't promote random products or keep guessing. If you are doing this, you will make zero commissions. You need to promote products that are already getting sales on Amazon. So let's pick one as an example, and like this one, guys, also this one, over 2,000 people paid for this one in the past month. We have a lot of products. Okay, so what I will do, let's pick one. Let's pick as an example this one here. I will click on this one. It's a really good, guys. Always choose products that are getting at least over 2,000 sales in the past month. At least over 2,000 sales in the past month. I hope it's clear. Just click on the product that you want to promote and you will be directly in this products page on Amazon. You guys can see the commission rates of this product. Like I said, the guys in the beginning, this is a profitable niche. Why? Because Amazon, guys, is paying good commissions for those products. You guys can see the commission rate, it's 10%, which is really good and high commission. Amazon affiliate marketing also is high techy affiliate program. They are paying really crazy commissions, guys, for products. It's just up to the niche that you are choosing, and it's up to the product that you are promoting. Okay, so once you click on the products, once you click on the product that you want to promote, you will be in this products page. And what you need to do next is you guys need to create UGC ad video using AI. Okay, and I'll show you step by step how you can do it. Okay, it's super easy and simple, and we will do it using Clipwise AI. Okay, so pay close attention, please. So what you will do next, you will scroll down. Okay, so first you will click on those products pictures, okay, and double click and click on save image and save at least 3 products pictures. I will also, like, you can save also this one, and you can also save also this one, at least 3 pictures. Okay, once you save those pictures to your laptop, you will scroll down and you will go to this one here, top highlights. Click on this one and you will scroll more, click on show more, and you will see here about this item. This is the product description. You will copy this description, and what you will do next is you will go to ChatGPT. Okay, and you will ask ChatGPT. It's for free, of course. You can go and open ChatGPT account and ask him to turn this Amazon product description into a viral script that you will send to AI to create UGC talking head ad video up to 50 or 20 seconds for YouTube Short or TikTok or any social media platform that you want to use, and that will convince people to buy this product. And you will put the product description here. ChatGPT will turn this product description into a viral script UGC ad video. This one, you will copy this one, copy the script, and you will go to Clipwise. Okay, guys, Clipwise is a powerful tool that helps affiliate marketers create high converting UGC style ad videos in minutes, fast. Okay, it turns simple ideas into an engaging scroll stopping content perfect for promoting your affiliate product on TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Facebook Reels, and more. Save time, boost conversions, and scale your affiliate marketing easy. Okay, so just click the link of Clipwise will be in my video description. Once you click on the link, you will be in this page, and this will be your home page. So what you will do here, you will scroll down and go to quick video tools. Okay, and click here on UGC talking head. Click on this one. We will use this tool. Okay, and here you go. You will be in this page over here. So what you will do here is you will paste your script that you created using ChatGPT. This one, scroll down, you have here, okay, and you have here directive instructions. This is optional, so you will scroll down and click on upload product image, and you will upload the product pictures that you download from Amazon, those products. Okay, this one here, open, upload this picture, click again and upload all your products pictures. Okay, upload here, upload this one more, and here you go. You will click on select products, and here you go. Okay, you will scroll down, you have here product description. You will go back to this Amazon product page that you are promoting, copy this product description, go back to Clipwise and paste this product description here. Scroll down, and here you have language. Click on the language and select the language that you want. Okay, guys, don't keep focusing just on English. You can also promote those products using Spanish. You can double your commissions and double your traffic. You can target different countries, different audience, and that's how you can scale your affiliate marketing business. So don't focus just on English. So in this video, we will use, of course, English. And here, click on select voice. Choose the voice that you guys want to use. So we have here a lot of voiceovers, guys. You guys can see they have really high quality voiceovers. Okay, so let me pick one as an example. We have really a lot here. Let's check this one.
Hey, I'm Zara.
Okay, Zara, you guys can see I will select this one. Just select the voiceover that you like. Click on select voice like this. Here you go. And what you will do here, you will click on select actor, and here choose your actor that you guys want to use. They have a lot. Okay, so pick one that you like, that you want to use. You guys can see they have really a lot. As an example, let's pick this one. You will click on my actor, this one here, click on select actor, and here you go, and click again on select location and choose your location. Since we are promoting skincare products, we will go over here to location, and we will go to bathrooms. Okay, this location is good, and we will choose our location from here, like this one as an example. So just click on the location that you want to use. They have a lot, you guys can see. I will click on select location, and here you go. So once everything is done, you can make sure. So we have everything. We have our scripts, we have products, pictures, we have English, voiceover, everything, actor. So everything is good. You will click here on generate video. Okay, once you click, just click on generate a video like this, and here you go. Your video will be created by Clipwise UGC add video. Okay, so once the video is done, I'll show you guys the result, and here you go guys, our video is done. So let's check the video, and let me know guys in the comments what's your opinion. You guys can see, so let's check.
Everyone keeps asking what I'm using on my skin lately, and it's Deer. I started noticing fine lines and my skin wasn't as firm as before, so I tried this advanced peptide serum. In just 2 weeks, my skin looks smoother, tighter, and way more youthful. It uses next generation growth factors and peptides to target wrinkles, sagging skin, and signs of aging at the source. If you're serious about younger looking skin without expensive treatments, check this out before it sells out.
This is guys really amazing. You guys can see we just made the video UGC add talking head video using Clipwise AI fast. Okay, and I can use this video to promote my Amazon affiliate products on Instagram. I can use the same video and double my traffic and my commissions. I can post this video on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook Reels and TikTok, and I will double my commissions and double my traffic. If you want to download this video to your laptop, just click here on download, and this video will be downloading to your laptop. Okay, super easy and simple. Okay, and like I said guys, the link of Clipwise AI will be in my video description. You guys can go and click on the link and start making your own faceless UGC ad videos that you guys can use to promote your Amazon affiliate products on social media platforms. Okay, and Amazon guys is paying good commissions, you can see guys. So this product that we are promoting, the commission rate, it's 10%. Okay, and this product guys is for $295. If you go to Google and you ask, for example, what's 10% of $295, it's $29 for every single sale who will came from your affiliate link. $29, it's a good commission. Okay, and I do have an affiliate marketing course. If you want to learn more about this business, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and I'll send you all the details. Okay, you will learn everything about Amazon affiliate marketing program step by step from scratch. Okay, you also get direct access to me, so I will keep following up with you to make sure you are applying the system correctly and make sure you are doing everything good. Okay, feel free to reach out to me in my email address, and I'll send you all the details. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments.